Okay, little dumplings, let's do some math. So the first thing that I would tell you is looking at our problem solving steps here. It's great to have a piece of paper that you just fold into fours so that when you unfold it, you have a way to keep up with your four questions. So I'm just gonna look at our question here. Tara has 6/10 pounds of flour. How many 1/5 is this? So if I was doing this on a piece of paper like this, I would say, okay, she has, oops, let me put it on drawing. She has 6/10. And they want to know how many fifths. Well, down here I could say, I know that 6/10 is equal to something over 5, right? I could figure this out. Now, a lot of times kids will say, oh, I know this, 5 times 2, and then they'll do 6 times 2 is 12. But really, I'm not doing that. To get 10 to become 5, 5 is smaller than 10. So I can't do a multiplication. I'm going to have to divide, which means that if I divide the numerator, I've got to divide the denominator and vice versa. What am I going to divide 10 by to get 5? Another way I could put this is 5 times something equals 10 because this is a fact family, right? I can write this 4 different ways. And of course, we know that 2. So if I divide 10 divided by 2, what do I get? I get 5. So I will have to do that on the top. I'm actually not going to give you this answer. And then to check your work to make sure your answer is correct, why am I drawing this? Because you can cross multiply to get the correct answer. All right, so that's problem 1. You did great. We're going to increasingly get a little tougher, but I know you can do it.